Namaste, my name is Akshara Gopanapalli. Today I am going to be singing a song describing Sri Adi Shankaracharya, and it is on the occasion of his Jayanti. Sri Shankaracharya Varyam Sarvalokaikavandhyam Bhaje Deshikendram Sri Shankaracharya Varyam Sarvalokaikavandhyam Bhaje Deshikendram Sri Shankaracharya Varyam Dharma Prachareti Daksham Yogi Govinda Padapta Sannyasa Diksham Durvadi Karvapanodam Padma Padadi Sishyali Samsevya Padam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Shankadridam Bolilidam Kinkarasesha Sishyali Santranaseelam Palarkanika Sachelam Bodhikasesha Vedanta Gudhartha Jalam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Rudrakshamala Vibhusham Chandramauleshwararadhana Vaptatosham Vidravitasesha Dosham Bhadrapuga Pradam Bhaktalokasya Nityam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Papatave Chetrabhanum Jnanadipena Hardam Tamovarayantam Dvaipayana Pritibhajam Sarvata Papahamuga Bodha Pradantam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Rajadiraja Bipujam Ramya Shingadrivasaikkalolam Yatityam Rakendu Sankashavakram Ratnagarbhe Bhavaktramri Pujanuraktam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Shri Bharati Tirtha Geetam Shankararyastavamya Pate Bhakti Yuktaha Sovapnuyat Sarvamishtam Shankaracharya Varya Prasadena Tonam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Sarvalokaikavandhyam Bhaje Deshikendram Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam Shri Shankaracharya Varyam. Thank you.